China's home appliance giant Haier held a groundbreaking ceremony on Wednesday for its first factory in Egypt, aiming to boost the manufacturing industry and provide local jobs in the North African country. Haier Egypt Ecological Park will cover an area of 200,000 square meters.
ويعد مشروع المجمع الصناعي لشركة هاير مشروعا هاما للغاية، لما سوف يسهم به من نقل التكنولوجيا لصناعة الأجهزة المنزلية وتعزيز التنافسية وخلق فرص عمل جديدة تقدر بحوالي 2000 فرصة عمل مباشرة وغير مباشرة.
The first phase of the project, which will be put into operation in the first half of 2024, focuses on the production of air conditioners, washing machines, and TVs, and the second phase will be for producing refrigerators and freezers.
海尔埃及生态园定位中东非区域家电制造基地，不仅满足埃及及本土市场的需求，同时覆盖中东、北非、东南非市场。
While developing smart home solutions, Haier Egypt Ecological Park is also committed to the development of smart manufacturing industries so as to provide Egyptian users with a better experience and upgrade the industrial chain of Egyptian home appliances.